যেহেতু এক্সিকিউশনের প্রশ্ন আসলো, আমি 5 issues will help you to achieve success in your life. দেখছি and Prestige magazine is helping me. অনেক সাইড করব তোমাদের জন্য. If you keep in mind, maybe it will help you. The first is to be successful, to execute, to be a successful man in future, you have to prepare yourself. First, নিজেকে তৈরি করতে হবে. Remember, the world is very challenging and it's the world of knowledge, knowledge-based leadership. A leader in future has to be knowledgeable. আমরা যখন নলেজের কথা বলি, আমরা কিন্তু অনেক সময় mostly we focus on theoretical knowledge. Yes, that's important. But remember, the skill development is also very